So I've been seeing these a lot in the background of YouTubers' videos, and I decided it's time to get some myself. But they are really pricey, so we're gonna see if it's worth it and how it works. So we got our little pamphlet installation guide, I guess, and we have a quick start guide. I never read these, so we're not gonna bother. So these cost me about $279 Canadian. I think that averages about to $200 US. They're really big though. I thought they were a lot smaller. Let's take out our panels, and there's our charger. We also have a remote. Since this is really expensive, I'm gonna break the trend and actually read the manual. So it looks like you use these to connect more panels to a single panel. So it kind of just attaches on, and you can just attach on another one, and now you have two panels together. We're going to plug them in and see how they look, and then we're gonna install them on our wall. Been wanting to spice up the wall for a long time now, and I think this is the best way to do it. So we got it plugged in. Now we just have to, I guess we have to attach this to one end, and now the magic is supposed to happen. It's kind of like a drum. So it says to fist bump the hexagon, so we're just gonna, I'm gonna read the instructions. I guess we should install our remote control first, and then we'll go from there. Oh, okay. I don't want to break this. Even though it looks like I'm being reckless, I'm actually not, I guess. Let's click on. So it's finally on. I guess the remote control did the job. We're going to plug in our second one. There we go. It's really cool. So I have no idea what kind of shape I'm gonna make. I'm just gonna kind of glue them on the wall and figure the rest out later. Let's do it. Okay, now I see why you had to do this, because it changes color. That's a nice shade of pink. I'm just gonna go straight to applying them because I have no clue what kind of shape I want. And if I do want to take them down, I'll do that later. So this is our first one. They spin around, which is cool. And we're just gonna, there we go. If you're installing these, don't be like me. Make sure you plug it in first before you apply it, because then you're gonna have a bit of a problem. It looks like we're all done. Now that I'm looking at it from here, it looks kind of weird. I might move things around, but it's definitely really cool. It is what I thought it would be. It's a lot bigger actually. So we're all done. The biggest question I had for this product was, is it worth it? And I'd say yes. If you like just classic LEDs, this is probably a huge step up. It works with Amazon Alexa or Google Home, which is a good perk. It is a bit overpriced for $200. You could get a lot, but I think that if you're really trying to step up your room, step up your customization game and your aesthetic game, this product is for you. Anyway guys, that is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. More repairs on the way, and I'll see you guys in the next one.